Thank you very much for your comments. It's just been fantastic to read and really motivational and very, very much appreciated. It's been 4 weeks since I did my foot and it feels more like an ankle injury. However, if I step on my foot the wrong way, oh, ouchie, ouchie. It's really weird. This is the first bone I've ever broken and it just feels like a really, really, really deep cut. So I can walk on my foot now without the boot. However, everything down there gets quite fatigued quite quickly. So 3.5 weeks until tour starts. And so I'm been gradually walking on my foot more and more. But just the brace goes back on for most of the day. I've got to sleep with it on at night time as well because it's too painful. It's too painful to sleep. Oh. The plan now is to start getting fit. So I found my other ankle brace. I went through the whole house to find it and it was where I left it, behind that plant there. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to go for a ride on my single speed mountain bike. The ankle support's great, which is what I like, but I might actually need foot support too. All right, quick test run. This is so awesome. I'm so proud of myself. Just to go and your tires are inflated. It certainly adds the joy, that's for sure. It just might be doable. My foot certainly is weak the word? My foot certainly feels fragile, so definitely taking it easy. Plan is to ride out along the bike paths to the water, taking the shortcut, which is quite a bit longer, but much more scenic.